Hello and welcome to my Sunday front. So today I had a very special a visitor, and my mom came into town, and she came from Texas and brought me a bunch of presents and souvenirs from Taipan when she was deployed, and Silaco response. And I just want to go through them and see them. And so far, I have this beautiful suede hat. I never had a hat in my freaking life. It's so pretty. It's literally um, just a regular polyester hat, but it looks so good. Oh my gosh. I don't want to take it off. But let's see what else is in here because there's so many things. And the first thing I noticed right away is that it's art stuff in one bag. So the first thing she got in here are brushes for art, and it's 21 different brushes, beautiful brushes. And it shows you in the back what they look like, and these are really nice for all the size paintings. And then she brought me some canvases, and these are in various sizes. So she got me two of these, or actually I think that she just got those. And then she got metallic paints. This is metallic, and it shows the colors in the back. 12 different brilliant tubes, very pretty. And then a purse dangler. I'm gonna have to ask her if this is for me, but it's an elephant purse dangler, and it's like whenever you leave the house and you want to dangle your purse from wherever you're at. And then she brought me some Skechers shoes, and they have a charms on them, a little shoe you can see that matches this shoe, and in the front too a little cherry with the word Sketcher. And these are memory foam in blue suede, so you can see the other ones matches exact. So cute. And these fit me. They look really big, but they fit me. And then she got me the shirt for Sinlaco, and she washed it so that way it wouldn't have dye. And this says Saipan half a day, which means hello in Chamorro. And then what is this one? A toalla, like a little kitchen towel. It says right here, a microfiber kitchen towel. And two, what's this color? And then this, like in this bag. Whoa. There's earrings, and these earrings are like, they look like little lamps. See how beautiful? It's the turquoise color and pretty little like cherry blossoms in gold. And then another one with the bracelet to match. And this one's a bead. And then here's a beautiful little what you call it? Barrette. And this barrette is a hibiscus flower. So cute. And some more turquoise and jade. I'm done. Oh my god. These are so pretty. And some more turquoise. Isn't that so pretty? And this rosary, I'm not sure if this is for her. It's pearl with pink. And then a little bolsita made in Japan. I have to open this. And then, let's see. You just open it and it's got a napkin in there. Isn't that pretty? It's like gold metal, metallic. And then this little handkerchief. It's a men's handkerchief. Isn't that cute? I love these. And so that's that. And a jade bangle bracelet. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's green jade. This is the color of what it looks like when you see a pond with lotus in it. This is so pretty. And then a Fuji, Japan Mount Fuji souvenir with a little it's just a little sayings in the back, and then it says 3 meters or something like that. Okay, one more thing in here. Wow, this is a table decoration with Texas and little flowers, and I guess it's like a Samoan decoration colors, and then shaped like Texas. Isn't that so cute? It's like custom. And then in this one's my favorite one. Look at this. I have to give her back her bag. That is so pretty. My mom got me to match my hat. She got me these. I don't know whose ornamental, but look at this. Llama skin with embroidery. Isn't that pretty? In the starburst. Do you see that? You know, these are like penners. So beautiful. And then a Juicy Couture bag. So I can take with me. I can put my laptop in here or whatever. Isn't it cute? Put myself in here, lunch or whatever. Then a tumbler, and my tumbler has a little boot, and it's cute. It's purple. Look at this Hello Kitty Saipan bag. It says half a day. Guam, Saipan. And look at her. She's the same color as me. Isn't that cute? And then here's the Saipan USA t-shirts. And then here's a dress. It's a surf dress. And it's a little linen dress. This is extra small. Isn't it cute? And then these pants, linen pants. Aren't they cute? They're baggy pants with the drawstring waist. And these are like imported. It's like a whole fit right there. And then this is a tank top. So cute. It's like a Henley top, but it's like wool or something. And then what's this? Mariana Islands. A little chancla, a flip-flop. And it says, I love Saipan with a surfer dude. Cool. And then a magnet that says, I enjoy Saipan. It says shop. I shop. Enjoy Saipan. Shop. Shop. And in the letters are literal pictures of like different depictions of people having fun in Saipan. If you can see that. And like palm trees and sunsets and the beach, a surfer on a wave. And there's two in here. Then another hibiscus flower. More turquoise. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at this one matches the other clip. It's a little starfish. Look at this. Isn't that so cute? With a pearl. He has a pearl with little conchitas, like little tiny little shells. And more jade with pearls and emeralds. And then this pretty beaded flower bracelet in gold. Isn't that so cute? Oh, and a nice warm pairs of socks. These are so pretty. These are good boot socks. If you don't know what type of socks to wear for your boots, these are really good boot socks. And last but not least, matching earrings. Hibiscus earrings in hot pink with a bracelet. Isn't that cute? And that's it. That's all the things that, all the stuff that I got from my mom and her trip to Saipan and from Texas. So I love this stuff, and especially my hat and my boots. Like I said, I never had really nice boots before. This is the most expensive pair of boots I ever had. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Um, so shout out to my family and my mom. She actually came to visit me, and she took the time even after she had to be deployed and stuff. And instead of resting up, she just came right away to see me because it's been like a year and a half. And I'm so grateful for all the things, and especially to spend time with my mom. And yeah, I think it's the best the best time, you know, the best moments in life are shared with those near and dear to you. I mean, I love my life. I wouldn't give up streaming and um, being on social media for nothing. But to take some time and spend it with, those in your closest circles, like your family, it's very, very important. Especially me. I'm God, country, and family. So first and foremost, I'm gonna cherish every single second that I have, the opportunity. So again, thank you guys for joining me, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. My son different. Bye bye.